Hey guys, today we're gonna be working out arms. I've got 6 exercises picked out for us. We're gonna be hitting bis and tris. You're gonna need a pair of dumbbells, so go ahead and grab your gear. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. All right, you guys, I'm back with the voiceovers. Let me know if you like these. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. If not, do a thumbs down. I don't really care about the video. I just want to know if you guys like the voiceovers or not. So starting off with lateral arm raises. For this exercise, grab your dumbbells. You want to use something that's comfortable. We're trying to focus on mind-muscle connection. So not so much really getting the weight up there and trying to throw your body with momentum. We're trying to just move our arms up, not past our shoulders, connect with your arms, think arms. It's interesting. I was doing this as I was working out in this actual video, and I was thinking, okay, arms, shoulders. And when you put your attention with your mind, you feel the burn of your muscles more. So we're really trying to focus on that. We've got 3 sets of 12. Let's get it. Just like the wind. Take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, go in a nice steady motion. So what I like to do is I like to count 1, 2. So when you bring them up, when they're up in the air like that, when your arms are up in the air, count 1, 2, lower them back down. Then 1, 2. This way your body really gets the full effect of the workout, and you're not just pushing yourself through every workout. The whole point is to build lean tone muscles the correct way. So lightweight if you need, and correct positive form. Give yourself another break. All right, moving into our last set. If you need to, you can use a pair of water bottles. You don't have to use dumbbells. Also, if you don't have any dumbbells at home, grab a book. 2 books can do the trick. Great job. Give yourself a 15-second break. I felt the pain as she walked away from me. Moving into a standing bench press. For this exercise, we're going to bring our dumbbells out in front of us, extend your arms all the way out. Arms should be locked, so there's no bend in the elbow. Then you're going to pull those dumbbells towards your chest. So count again, 1, 2, 1, 2. Try not to rock your body forward and backwards. Keep your body nice and straight. It's just the arms moving, okay? Not the full body. There should be no momentum. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, try to keep your shoulders up. I know it can be challenging when you pull those dumbbells back towards your body. You would want to put your arms and your shoulders down a little bit. Try not to drop your shoulders. Keep your shoulders nice and even and just pull those dumbbells straight back, pushing them forward. Remember, keep your body nice and stagnant. You don't want to be rocking or moving. Also, if you're arching your back, try to flip the pelvis in or just tuck in your butt, I suppose, and to keep that back nice and straight. Take a 10-second break. All right, getting into our last set. I can really feel the burn in my arms. Remember, think about the arms. Whatever exercise you're doing, think of the muscle you're trying to work out. We're trying to hit those biceps right here. I felt these really good in the biceps. I also felt them really good in the shoulders and a little bit in the chest. So really just think about where you want the focus to go. Great job. Give yourself a 15-second break. Moving into one arm press. For this exercise, leave one of your arms down, dangling nice and comfortably. The other arm comes into a 90-degree angle, and you're going to shoot that right up next to your head. Remember, try to think about that muscle. I can really feel this exercise, for example, in my tricep, as well as my bicep and my shoulder. So we're going to focus on 10 on one arm first, and then switch arms and do a 10 on the other arm. Great job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. All right, moving into set 2. Remember, don't bring your elbow down lower than 90 degrees. I know it can feel a little bit awkward. So for me, I had to look to my arm a few times to make sure I wasn't going super low, because your arm tends to want to come down a little bit lower, but we're trying to keep the resistance there and just push it right back up. Go ahead and switch arms. Why is it so hard to let you go? Well done. Give yourself a 10-second break. Alrighty, moving into our last set. These ones feel really good. To speak, you're quick to change your mind, and I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. All right, good job, guys. Give yourself a 15-second break. From here, you want to take a heavier dumbbell if possible. I'm going to be using a 15, and we're going to use both hands above and in the back of our head, and we're going to do tricep dips. So for this exercise, what I want you to focus on is the tricep. Think tricep, think tricep. Slow, controlled motions for this one, you guys. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. The whole goal here is to not arch your back. Do you see how my back is not arched? I'm not sticking my butt out. I'm actually tucking my butt in. So you really don't want to arch your back and pull from the back. You want to pull from the triceps only. Like you would have a clue. Give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, I love the feeling when your arms get so tight from working out because all the blood's right there. It makes me feel like I'm so strong, but in reality, once the pump is gone, I'm like, damn, I need to hit arms again. So the goal here is to not let the dumbbell go too far down so you give your arms a break. You want to come down right to about my bun, so like mid-head, and then push it right back up. Slow, controlled motions is best. And like I said, don't arch that back. Keep that pelvis tucked up or in front. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into our last set, remember to think about your triceps, take it nice and slow, and breathe through it. This is also a great exercise for the bra bulge area, ladies. So definitely don't skip out on this. Great job. Take a 15-second break. If we had another chance, I would never let you steal my glance. Moving into bent over flies. For this exercise, I'm coming back down in weight because we're really focusing on form today. Keep your back nice and flat. You'll notice that there's no arch in my back. And you know, a great way to do this is to actually put your feet flat on the ground, lift up your toes just slightly. You're gonna feel like you're pushing your butt back into your legs. And then you wanna pull your arms up. 1, 2, back down. We've got 3 sets of 10. Great job. Give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, take the exercise nice and slow. Again, this is a great exercise for the bra bulge area, upper back, shoulders, and arms. I also felt a little bit of my latissimus dorsi because I was really thinking about it as I was working this out. And I was like, oh, I feel that back there. It's so crazy. Everything is so connected. It's weird. I felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight. Great job. Give yourself a 10-second break. Push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. All right, this is our last set, last 10. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like Great job. Take a 15-second break. For our last exercise, we're going to be doing the bent over tricep extensions. For this exercise, you want to bend forward a little bit like we did in the last exercise. See how my back is nice and flat? I'm at an angle. I'm not completely down, but it's nice and flat. There's no arch in my back. Then you're going to take one dumbbell and let it hang for balance, and then bring the other one up to the side of you and really push it back. This is also a great exercise for the bra bulge area. Again, it's all connected. Make sure you're breathing. Great job. Take a 10-second break. See, you can see here, since I got a little closer to the camera, that my tricep has no definition. We're working towards it. I'm doing my dips, but it's really like my weak link. We're gonna do 10 on each side though. Really think tricep, tricep, tricep. Move slow through the motions. I know it burns. It does. This one really burns. I think that's why I hate doing triceps, because it burns so much. Great job. Take a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, don't let your back arch. Also, if you have a bench and you're more comfortable leaning on something versus standing up stagnantly like this with no balance, if you have trouble with balance, you can also put a knee on a bench and lean over that bench and do the same exercise just for a little bit more balance if you have stability issues and if this is really challenging for you. All right, guys, this is our last set. Keep going. We're almost done. Just 10 on each arm. Great job, you guys. That's the workout. I hope you enjoyed this arm session with me. If you like the voiceovers, like I said, give me a big thumbs up. If not, let me know and put a thumbs down. I'm not going to get my feelings hurt. I want to know if you guys like direction or if you like them silent. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.